We're back, another video. Your boy Jay, you guys see the thumbnail. It's on feet on the Tmac 3s that just recently released in the black and blue colorway. Had these shoes back in 6th grade. I'm gonna tell you how I got them. Funny little story about the Tmac 2s that released prior to that. Dude, kind of embarrassing. So back in 5th grade, all my buddies had the Tmac 2s, and I remember not being able to get them. I begged my mom and my dad. There was no way they were gonna get them, bro. Like, I am asking them for this pair of shoes and they won't get it for me, right? So we traveled down to Oklahoma, and they have this little Walmart, right? And this little Walmart, man, has like this random stuff in it, and they had like these freaking Tmac 2s, but they weren't Tmac 2s. They just looked exactly like Tmac 2s. And I begged my mom for them. I think they were like 15 bucks, and she's like, hell, you know, $15, here you go, buddy. Yeah, go ahead and knock yourself out. So whatever, you know, we got the fake Tmac 2s, and I go to school the next day, man, and you know, my boys, you know, they all have the Tmac 2s on, bro, and you know, they really don't look any different, man. They really don't, like with your jeans covering them, and if you just see the toe box where like the lines are coming out or whatever, you know, the blue lines that go around the toe box, if you just see that, bro, you can't tell. So I was just a dummy, and like I was too honest. So like I told one of my buddies, you know, I was like, bro, do you know these aren't even Tmac 2s? He's like, what do you mean, bro? He's like, yeah, they are. He's like, I was like, nah, bro, they're not. I was like, I actually got these at the Walmart in Oklahoma. They're not the actual Adidas, bro, but it's like a different brand. So I was thinking that this dude wasn't gonna say nothing, and he went ahead and told all the other guys, and I got roasted, bro. They're like, man, he has fake Tmac 2s on. It was funny, dude. At the time, it wasn't funny, man, but you know, I don't know, man. It sucks when you can't afford something, so you gotta do what you gotta do, man. And it is what it is, bro. I've been there, so don't ever be ashamed of it, man, because you never know, bro. You might grow up to be a 30-year-old stuck in a room full of shoes. But then, so 6th grade comes along and the Tmac 3s release. My brother just quit his paper route, and perfect timing for the release, because I take over his paper route, bro. I start working hard, man. I get on the grind, dude. I was able to rack up, like, man, during that time I was able to rack up all my paychecks from the paper route. I'd make like 120 bucks a month. I was racking it up, bro, and I was just buying sneakers after sneakers, red tag sneakers, buy one get the other one 50% off at Foot Locker. I don't know if you guys remember the red tags back in the day. Like if you buy one, you get the other one 50% off if it's like less than 80 bucks or something like that. So yeah, man, I was on a roll, bro. I ended up grabbing these, but yeah, that's my backstory on these, so that's why I wanted to make this video. But before I even get started, I always say thank you to everybody that's been subscribed. If you subscribe, thank you. You know, I just want to say thank you to everybody, all the 2,000 members that we have on this channel. Thank you guys, and we're still growing little by little, but we're still growing, man. And this is with no social media. This is just you guys liking the channel and subscribing. So thank you guys so much, man. Let's open this. I really don't even know exactly how you open this. I see this little pull tab right here. Yeah, I don't know how you open the Adidas boxes. I don't know, dude. Ugh, dang. Okay. Ooh, I see the box. I see the box, man. I see the box, bro. I mean, you know how hard it was, because a lot of you guys went through the same thing, but I mean, like, dude, like, I was 12 years old. Dude, I was 12 years old pedaling a bike with 50 newspapers on this side and 50 on this side, trying to keep my balance. Working hard just to get a pair of sneakers. So anyway, man, size 9, I went you to size, I don't even know how these fit, and it says Tmac 3 RESTOMOD. I didn't even know the name of them back then, bro. I just knew that they were Tmac 3s, bro. So the name is RESTOMOD. And Tracy McGrady was a beast, dude. Back in the day, Rockets, even Orlando Magic, dude. Oh, this guy was a beast, dude. Like if you had 2K back in the, not 2K, NBA Live. I think it was NBA Live. If you had that back in the day, bro, and you were playing with Tmac, dude, I would drain 3s with him. He was a beast, man. So let's open this up, man. Here you got the presentation. You got the Tmac sign. You know, it feels like old days, bro. Like the dude's still in the league, and feels good, bro. Feels pretty cool, man. Oh, dang, dude. Whoa. Man, no way. Dang, bruh. No freaking way I got these in my hands right now. Dang. I don't know why I feel like this was like a patent leather back then. I don't know. Like where it says TM right there. I don't know if you guys see that, but dude, no freaking way, dude. These things are so cool. In the 2000s, everything was just like overly like done. Like they wanted to make everything look so like futuristic, you know, like just because we hit the 2000s. And you know, this is what they would come up with. And it's funny because we just keep going back to the older stuff like the 80s or the 90s, you know, everybody wanted to be so super futuristic, and you know, we still end up liking the stuff that came out way back in the day. But yeah, dude, this shoe is crazy. It's not the prettiest sneaker in the world, bro, I'm not gonna lie. Like, they definitely looked a lot cooler in the early 2000s. But it's still cool to have these in hand, dude, and just looking at them, man. The patterns on the upper, man, it's got a black shiny upper, you know, the leather, and then it's just these little blue patterns that go through the inner med panel. Dang, dude. Of course you got your Tmac. I'm sorry guys, I'm laughing because this is funny to me, dude. Like, yeah, man, it's crazy, dude. Like, it's just crazy, man, going through it, man, as a kid, and you're still able to, you could still get what you want, man, no matter what age you guys are, man, right now. And I know it feels like sometimes like you're not gonna be able to do it, but you will, man. Just keep your nose clean and keep going, because that's all you could do, you know, and just keep doing the right thing, man. You know, have some morals, and you know, yeah, man, it's crazy, dude. It's crazy. I can't believe I'm looking at these right now, but I'm gonna give you guys the on feet. You guys let me know what you guys think about the sneaker. I don't want to make this too long. I'm getting kind of emotional just looking at the shoe, man. Oh, dang, this shoe's crazy, bro. I'm gonna throw these on feet. Last time I got these, who knows what size it was, probably like a 7Y. I mean, I've only moved up 2 sizes ever since, so. But yeah, man, it's crazy, dude. This shoe's crazy. Let me know if you guys pick these up. Let me know if you guys will even look twice at these. You might not even care about these. This video probably won't do the best, but it is what it is, man. I really don't care. I just wanted to vlog this into my little chapter of sneaker collecting, because I've been getting sneakers, I just haven't been making the videos. I do have a review on the cool grays coming up, so you guys, I'll have an early review for those. I have those actually right here, and I just haven't. But yeah, no, man, make sure you guys, you know, hit the like button if you guys enjoyed the video. Hit the subscribe button if you guys want to become a member of the channel. It's absolutely free. Just hit subscribe. And thank you guys for following me, man. I should have a couple of good videos coming up soon, and then we're gonna wrap the year up. So it's your boy Jay. Peace, man. Hasta luego. Saludos. Let's get on to this on feet, man. Peace.